morning, animal friends, and this is our first pickup. Oh, we got some stuff here. We have a little barbecue and we have a filing cabinet, and we have a lamp, and we have lots of different stuff here. Wow. That's a thing to change tires. I don't know what that's called. But anyways, it's that's our first pickup. Okay, talk to you later. Are you going to say good morning?
Good morning.
Okay, so that's load number 1. Oh my goodness me. Okay. Okay, crunch, crunch, crunch. Okay, stop number 2. Oh boy, do we have stuff in here. It looks like all plumbing stuff.
Yeah.
Taps and sink. And, oh my, thank you very much for that.
This is a brand new sink. The plastic's still on.
Wow, that's pretty awesome. Thank you for this. Okay, stop number 3, and this is a garage door. Okay. Awesome, thank you. Okay, we have some copper pipes, and what else? Roofing sheets. Okay, they all folded up very nice and neatly. Thank you so much for this. Thank you. Next up, and we have a dishwasher. Okay, and that's that. What do you have in there? Oh, just okay.
One of these.
What's that?
Looks like a pump.
A pump. Oh, that's a pretty unique find. Unique find.
Got this.
What's that? A wheel of some sort. Okay, let's have a look in this bucket here. There's just that kind of stuff. Ugly, kind of scrap. Oh my! Hey, isn't that, what would that be from? Okay, and can you take a break for a minute? Just take a break. Okay, so this is this fridge. Okay, just wait a minute here.
It's a Servel Fridge.
It's a Servel Fridge.
Oh. And it's upside down.
Yeah, it's upside down. But it doesn't run on electricity, right?
No, it runs on propane.
It runs on propane. Wow, like, look at that. It runs on propane. Okay, and that's the
It used to run
bottom.
on kerosene, but they converted it.
Ran on kerosene and converted it to propane.
Yep.
Wow, isn't that something?
Yeah, we're gonna save that.
That is one unique find.
Yeah.
That's a Okay, all right. That's what he's doing. I don't know what he's going to do, but okay, we made a couple stops and I didn't get out and put anything together, so this is kind of what we have so far. We picked up that range hood just on the side of the road, and yeah, that's it. Ron's getting some car parts, and okay, I think those are, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know what those things are. I'll have to ask Ron what those are. Okay, all right, excellent. Okay. Okay, So we got a dishwasher at this place, and yeah, I still don't know what those things are, but anyways, probably brakes, or I don't know, are they rotors? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. What are those things called? Are those rotors? Oh, rotors. Okay, I was right. All right. We're going to our next stop, and what does Ron see is another dishwasher. I think how many today? 3, 4? Something like that. Okay, we're at our next stop, and we have an ironing board, and we have some kind of lanterns or outdoor, I guess, outdoor solar lights. Anyway, okay, that's it. Okay, so we're back, and this is our last pickup, but this is the fridge, the Servel Fridge, and that's the fridge that doesn't, it actually works with propane, and prior to it being switched over to propane, it was, you use kerosene. So wow, that is just something else. This is very, very impressive. Oh, okay. Is that the bottom of it? Let's see there. Okay. Oh, so that's what everything... Okay, look at that. Okay, wow. Doesn't have the... Oh, too bad we didn't look for the year on that. This is such a beautiful, beautiful day. Oh my goodness, beautiful day, beautiful day. He's doing some contemplating about how to get that up there. How are you going to do that?
I might have to get help.
Is it that heavy? So that is the cost of it. Well, that is the door handle. Look at that. Ice cubes, frozen foods. Wow. Isn't that impressive?
Well, this thing doesn't weigh very much, but I'll take it off anyways. He's trying to bite my ear. Oh, you're funny. Yeah, you can't bite my ear. Hey, what are you, Mike Tyson, or what's going on? Look, he's got me by the...
Yeah. Ears. All I see is ears.